This is how much I generated in the last 2 weeks on this awesome website, and now I'm going to show you how you can do just the same. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way, and with this you can get over $200 every day with this free app. No skill and no experience is needed for this particular method, only you and your free time. This method is available worldwide and it is really fresh, so it's going to work through 2021 as well, and it's very simple. All you have to do is simply make sure to watch the whole video so you won't miss out on any important information. And now guys, I'm going to jump into the first step, but only after I ask you to hit the like button if you like this method and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So for the first step of our method today, we will be going over an app that I found recently that I know you will love. And as far as make money apps go, this is one of the best ones I have ever seen so far, and I have made money with it indeed. Furthermore, I will show you reviews that also prove that we are talking about a completely legitimate app that will actually pay you. With that being said, the app in question is called GiftPlay, and I'm now at their official website, giftplay.io. The way this app works is basically it pays you for playing games, as I said, and you can see it right here. You play, we pay. How sweet is that? You can play free mobile games, make money, earn reward, and gift cards. Now, this app is available for Google Play only as of now. Unfortunately, it's not available for iOS users, but we can count on that changing sometime in the future because these guys are evolving in their business. Anyway, something I really love about this app is that you don't have to play a game for a set amount of time before getting paid. You will actually earn money every minute that you spend playing these games. The more time you play, the more coins you will earn. As simple as that. And let's face it, who doesn't like playing games? It's so fun, especially when compared to surveys or other methods with which you can make money online. Those are outright boring and too long to complete and only pay a tiny amount of cash. You can see here it says, are you looking for the app that pays you for playing games? Introducing GiftPlay, the app that allows you to make money and earn gift cards by playing games. No purchase is necessary, no paying to win. So this is a free app and you don't have to pay them anything in order to be able to get paid playing games. Here you can see that you can get paid in coins, in these coins that they have, and you can later, of course, redeem those coins for money. Another way they have for you to earn money is by referring people, so you can get some of your friends and family to try this game out, and when they do, you will get paid in return, which is awesome, of course. We all know that referrals are a great way to make some passive stream of income, and that is by far the best stream of income there is. With that being said, something I know many of you will love is that you don't just get paid through gift cards, as is the case with some other apps. As it says right here, redeem your coins for PayPal cash out or for a variety of top branded gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, iTunes. So yes, for those of you who do love PayPal, it is indeed available for this app, and if you perhaps are looking to get paid through a gift card, they offer gift cards from some huge companies like Amazon, for example. Another awesome feature of this app is that they literally have an unlimited amount of games for you to choose from. And they have various game types as well. You have casual, strategy, action, puzzle, adventure, arcade, and many more. You can play any game you like and start collecting coins as is said right here. Now, something of note is that while they have many different games, most of them are only available for those in the US, UK, Canada, and most countries in Europe. For some countries, unfortunately, the number of games is a bit limited, but I'm sure that'll change soon enough in the future because these guys are constantly evolving and looking to expand their business. And if you scroll a little bit down over here, you can actually see how this app looks like. I think many of you will love it as much as I do. It's a great app, great design, and it's really, really enjoyable. And with all of that being said, there is one big thing I have to show you, which I promised back in the beginning, and that's the reviews. You can check them out yourselves by going over on Google Play, and this app has one of the best reviews I've seen out there. It has a rating of 4.0 stars with just under 2,000 reviews. And now this shows more than I ever could that this is a 100% legitimate app we're talking about. As you can see down here, the vast majority of users rated it as 5 stars, so this does work most definitely, and they've paid out thousands of people out there. So go ahead guys and give this app a try. You won't lose anything, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. And if you do, please come back to this video, leave a comment down below and tell me how much money you were able to generate in the first week. Because I'm always looking to improve my content and review only those apps that are indeed profitable. And for the second step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to iRazoo.com. This website allows you to make money in many different ways. As I said, as you can see up here, you can download apps, watch videos, complete some surveys, complete different offers, and lastly, play games. Speaking of getting paid, they will also pay you either through cash or gift cards. And as you can see right here, they have paid over $100 million up to this point, which is a really crazy amount. And in case some of you are wondering whether or not this is a legit website, you can see down here that the likes of CNN, Yahoo, Wall Street Journal, and other huge companies are showcased here, which would not be the case if this wasn't legit. Now, how this exactly works is as follows. You first have to join this website by signing up. You then earn points either by playing games, completing surveys, or whatever you prefer, and then you choose your rewards. And as you can see, they also offer Amazon gift cards, but if you want to get paid in cash, PayPal is indeed available too. Now, you can read some more about iRazoo here, but I simply won't go over into it, so I don't prolong this video and I don't want to waste any of your time. But what I wanted to mention is that they have sign-up bonus over here, which you can collect right up on signing up. That could prove very useful. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of their page, you can see some reviews of their users. So this shows that people are actually making money on this website. But you don't necessarily have to trust these. You can do your own research on the web, and I suggest you do so. And in order to start earning money here, what you need to do is click on join button over here, and then just enter in your email address, first and last names, your password, and then click on create account over here. Just make sure that you enter in your valid email address because they're going to send you a confirmation link which you need to click on in order to use the website and start generating some profits for yourself. Or alternatively, you can just click on join with Facebook if you have a Facebook account, and that would be much faster. Okay, so those are the apps I wanted to share with you today, and now the one I really prefer is the first one. I tried many apps until this point, and this is one of the best that I have ever seen. But what I would nevertheless recommend you do is combine both of these apps I showed you today. So not just iRazoo, not just GiftPlay, but use both of them in order to maximize your earnings and earn as much money as possible. You need to take your time seriously, and the worst thing you can do is waste it. We all got some spare time on our hands. The only difference is how we use it. You need to start monetizing your time online, guys, because if you don't do it, you're gonna be left out, and I don't want you to end up there. And with that being said, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and remember, take action, work hard, and I will see you next time.